So hello everybody, welcome. On today's episode, we have our guest, Kyle Loretta. Kyle, hello.
Hello. Hi, Nico. Hi, everyone.
So first of all, Kyle, I want you to introduce yourself. Basically, give the people a basic background on who you are, what you do.
Okay, so I'm Kyle, and I have been a professional cook for 17 years now. I've been dealing with mental health issues. Um, Actually, Nico, this is the first time I'm going to say this.
Okay,
Uh, I was diagnosed kasi early on in my childhood
okay,
with autism.
okay.
Okay. Um, but I've been ano siya, parang hindi ko siya pinapansin kasi may stigma eh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
When we
yeah.
were young,
Yes,
may
yes.
stigma eh na baliw. Alam mo yun, na
Okay.
parang baliw ka,
Yes.
like you're
You're
an
crazy.
outsider. You're
Yes.
outsider. And coming from where we came from,
Yeah.
it's it wasn't easy.
Yes, yes, I
Di
understand.
ba? I was pretending to be someone I'm not for the longest time. And it was only, dude, I'm 40 years old now.
Okay.
And it was only 5 years ago when I decided to, alam mo, that's part of who I am.
Yeah,
Tanggapin na lang.
yeah.
Tanggapin na lang. Alam mo yun, like, yung defense mechanism ko before was to make fun of people.
Okay.
Di ba? That was my defense mechanism because I wanted to be normal eh.
Okay, sige, wait.
I wanted to be,
Before you go further, can you go
yeah,
deep?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ano yung level nung how deep is your autism? I know you're functional, but what makes you different from other autistic kids or children? What was your
It's not as bad as the other, like autistic,
Yeah,
na, like how lay people would see autism.
yes.
No? Um, I had a world of my own.
Okay.
I had a world of my own, which is, I guess, fairly normal to, ano, I blurred fantasy with reality.
Okay.
Okay? Right now, my official diagnosis is MDD. And so, for those of you who don't know what MDD is, that's a major depressive disorder and ADHD.
Okay.
Yun yung
Diagnosis mo.
latest diagnosis with
Yeah.
me. Um, yeah, so that was it. I think it was a harsh background kasi what we had. It was a harsh, in hindsight, no, Nico?
Okay.
Yung high school natin, it wasn't the friendliest of places eh.
Well, it's true. It's true.
Di ba? No. You know it to be
Yeah,
true
I
eh. It
understand.
wasn't,
People will judge you. People
it's
didn't
not just the
understand.
judge eh.
Yeah,
It's
what?
the constant, relentless bullying.
Ah, that's true also. If you were different.
Others ka, dude.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're either a friend, an enemy, or others.
Yes,
You would rather be an enemy than the other.
that's true. Kasi
That's why if you
napapansin
remember,
ka.
if you remember back in high school, sobrang focused ako sa rock climbing. Kasi may
Yeah,
sarili kang mundo eh.
yeah, because you were belonging also.
'Di ba? Yeah, you found a niche eh, to
Yeah,
belong eh. And you hide it you hide it from the world. And it's so bad na you have to hide it kasi I'm not gonna drop names ah.
yeah. Don't.
Yeah, I'm not gonna drop names, but there were times I remember fourth year high school graduation practice na medyo lumalabas yung autism ko. Medyo, still hiding it. but there were people like bullying me na, like hardcore.
Okay.
Like binabato ka
What
ng
were they doing?
piso. Like nambabato ng piso, man. Nambabato ng piso because I guess until now naman like I would fight for what I know is right.
Yeah.
And then back then in high school, the kids now, they have it easy.
Well, that's true.
Kasi people are more accepting
Yeah.
But before, sa generation natin, lalo na sa older generation,
Yes.
it,
It
it's
wasn't
not
accepted. Yeah, it wasn't accepted.
You have to hide
Yes.
No? Like that's why me now, until now, actually still hide.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi the trauma from childhood,
Mm-hmm.
from the teenage years is still there. I still hide Like no one, apart from, actually this is the first time that in a public venue I'm speaking about this. So it's very, so Nico, forgive me if I stop every now and then, no?
No
Kasi it's
problem. No
very
problem.
difficult.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We understand.
It's very difficult to, I know you've asked me before, like matagal na, like 2 months, 3 months, that you
Yeah.
have asked me to be part of this and I wasn't responding.
Yes.
Kasi I'm scared
Yeah.
Di ba? Yung trauma mo na pinagdadaanan, yung na pinagdaanan, yung trauma mo na pinagdaanan and hindi mo kayang baguhin yung past kasi. But
Yes.
that past is part of
Who you are.
who
Yes.
you are.
Yes.
Right? That past is part of who you are. So I'm very good at hiding
Yeah.
it. It's not the healthiest.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's not the healthiest, but I hide. I hide it very, very well. Super well. I hide it super well. I'm in my industry.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi in my industry, it's easy to hide. Kasi you just have to show up and you just have to work. That's it. Hindi mo kailangan maging friendly. Hindi mo kailangan makipag-usap. Hindi mo kailangan mag-open up. The
Okay. Yeah.
only thing that's required of you is, dude, yung pagkain mo masarap.
Yeah. Okay.
Di ba? Like yung harshness ng industry ko, my industry is harsh.
Okay.
It is harsh. You've seen movies, you've seen documentaries, you've heard stories of how harsh the industry is.
Mm-hmm.
It's real, it's true.
Mm-hmm.
But for someone like me, I thrive on it Kasi I get to hide who I am.
Okay.
You know, um, it's not healthy talaga, but hiding behind work, making that your shield, na, alam mo yun, no one judges you No one, walang nagja-judge sa'yo. They only judge you for the plate that you bring
Yeah.
out.
Okay.
Which is, it's selfish on my part. Kasi I had you guys. I had
Mm-hmm.
friends.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I have Unique. I have our other friends.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Right? Not gonna mention names kasi, di ba? I don't know if they want to be mentioned
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
but between you and me, kilala mo kung sino yung mga sinasabi ko.
Of course, of
Right?
course.
Yeah. Pero, you hide behind the bravado.
Yeah.
You hide behind the bravado. You hide behind the accolades. You hide behind... Kasi that's all that matters
Okay.
Like, who you are doesn't matter. Who Kyle is, I don't care who Kyle is. Diba? All they care about is, can you cook?
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Kaya mo bang magluto? Kaya mo bang mag-serve ng 12,000 plates in one day?
Yeah.
Diba? That's all that matters
Mm-hmm.
Right? I'm not saying it's good. I'm not saying it's healthy. All I'm saying, I guess the point of this is, naging shield ko yung trabaho ko.
Yeah.
For a long time, di ako nagpapakita sa inyo.
Yeah, that's true.
6 years, 7 years. I
Yeah.
wasn't there for your marriage.
Yeah.
Di ba? I wasn't there because I was hiding.
Yeah.
I was working sa Cagayan Valley, man.
Yeah.
Di ba? Nag-Cagayan Valley ako, after ko mag-Cagayan, nag-Baguio, nag-Palawan, like, alam mo yun, like, tumatakbo ako.
Yeah.
Tumatakbo ako, I was chasing after acceptance.
Okay.
Kasi that's the only way I can find acceptance. Eh. Na
Validation mo for your work.
validation.
Yeah.
That I matter.
Yeah.
Di ba? I'm not sure if I told you this, pero di ba? I come from a broken family.
Yeah.
Diba? Like me, I know, alam mo, hindi kami nag-usap ng dad ko.
Yeah.
Di ba? Hindi kami nag-usap ng dad ko. But you know what I realized? The past couple of months is I was wrong eh. Sabihin na natin, he ran away.
Yeah. Okay.
Like, okay, given. But I was wrong. You know why?
Why?
Because if I say that Jesus loves me,
Mm-hmm.
if I say that Jesus loves me, and if I say that Jesus forgives me,
Mm-hmm.
what gives me the right to not forgive anyone else?
True. I agree with you completely.
If someone hurt me
Mm-hmm.
and Jesus, God is willing to forgive that person,
Yeah.
who am I to not forgive that person? That's why I was wrong.
Yes.
But yung ego nandun eh.
That's true also.
Mahirap bitawan yung ego na, hindi. For someone like us, I don't know about you, but me, parang kailangan ko maghanap ng, hindi eh, kasalanan mo kung bakit ako ganito.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You need someone to blame.
Yeah. Di ba? Parang, siguro kung nandito ka, nung lumalaki ako, hindi ako ganito.
Yeah.
Hindi ako emotional, hindi ako explosive na tao.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? Hindi ako, I won't be, I know you guys think I'm successful and all that.
Mm-hmm.
But that's not how I see myself eh. I know, like, alam mo, pag nagkita tayo, I have to be proud of myself. I have to be proud sa ginagawa ko.
Yeah.
But in the quiet corners of my house, this is gonna sound weird.
Mm-hmm.
Pero I'm content, but I'm not happy.
Sige.
Diba?
Why?
You blame. Kasi I'm alone, Nico. I'm alone eh. And I'm angry. I'm not angry at the world. I'm not angry at my dad. I'm angry at myself eh. I cannot find peace. I cannot find forgiveness sa akin, sarili ko. Hirap siyang i-forgive all the mistakes. Everything that I've been through. Every decision, every choice that I made. So I find it hard to forgive. That's why going back to what I was saying earlier. I hide behind the work.
Yeah.
I hide behind the accolades. I hide behind every plate that I send out.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Right? Anyway, sorry, struggling. Any questions? Sorry.
Anuhin natin kasi sige. We talked about your problems, your autism, but you said you have mental health problems. When did that manifest? Was that also during the time when you were younger, or was there a trigger that na-realize mo na something's happening, there's something wrong with my thought process, negative thoughts are coming, even if I'm in a good place?
Yeah, okay. So, That's a very good question, Nico. Thank you for that. Um, I didn't want to believe that I had autism. My
Okay.
mother didn't want to believe that.
Mm-hmm.
My lola didn't want to believe. No one wanted to believe that.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi, okay, to be fair, nung time na yon, technology wasn't as advanced
Yeah.
as it, yung mga tests, it's not as accurate.
Accurate. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the term, accurate,
Yeah.
as it is now. Um, I think it got worse nung nagtatago ako sa inyo. Hindi ako nagpapakita. Alam
So,
ko na kwento ko eh. Alam ko na kwento ko to, but I
wait,
had an ex-fiancé.
after college na to?
Yeah, after college.
That's when it got worse for you.
Yeah, nung nagkaroon ako ng fiancé.
Okay. Do you want to share or expound on that or?
Sure. Nung nagkaroon ako ng fiancé, she knows, siyempre fiancé ko eh.
Yeah.
Okay. She knows everything about me.
Okay.
And God bless her heart. I know she loved me.
Mm-hmm.
And I know na her intentions were in the right place.
Okay.
But God damn, man, yung approach niya was so wrong.
Okay. I
She would tell
understand
me,
that also, yeah.
sobrang sensitive mo, ano ka ba, lalaki ka ba? Diba? Yung ganun, like,
Yeah.
she'd tell me like, oh, di ba, chef ka eh, kaya mo naman yan. I mean, every time I would open up yung mga nararamdaman ko na negative, she would tell me, ba't ka ganyan? Di ba lalaki ka?
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? Like sabi niya, yung mga kapatid ko hindi naman ganyan eh. Yung dad ko hindi naman ganyan eh. Ganun siya.
Okay, yeah.
Right? I didn't realize it then.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it then, but dun nag-start ako naging malala.
Mm-hmm.
Dun ako nag-start na maging malala. It's only in, di ba sabi nga nila, hindsight is 2020.
Okay,
Hindi
yeah.
mo nakikita yung ginagawa mo. Like, hindi mo naiintindihan yung ginagawa mo the time na ginagawa mo siya.
That's true.
Naiintindihan mo siya like, when you reflect back on it.
Yeah.
So, doon ako nagpalawan. Alam mo, lumayo ako sa kanya.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi kami nag-break. Hindi ako nakapaghiwalay sa kanya.
Okay.
But, lumayo ako, nagpunta akong Palawan and all that, ganyan. Inaaway niya ako pa rin. Nung bumalik ako from Palawan, doon na ako sabi ko, hindi na tayo okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi ako okay. Hindi ko na kaya. Pero hindi ko naiintindihan kung bakit hindi ko kaya.
Okay, yeah.
Yung sa akin, hindi, ang sungit mo lang lagi. Lagi mo lang ako inaaway. Like, lahat malit na bagay, inaaway mo ako. I can't live like this.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? This was during, like, nung pandemic. I remember nung pandemic. Mukha akong parang isip bata, no? Naalala ko. Nag-away kami. You know what I did? Naglayas ako sa bahay namin, dude. So we were living together. Like, seryoso, like, I got my bag, and then, umalis ako. Tapos nandun siya sa may pinto, naalala ko pa yon. Yung bahay naming dalawa sa Las Piñas. She was there. Nagtitingin na kami ng mga kapitbahay. Sabi niya sa akin, saan ka pupunta? Anong sasakyan mo? Pandemic ngayon, wala kang mapupuntahan.
Mm.
But to me, I was like, I wanna run away. Ayoko na. Alam mo yun, parang,
Yeah.
Ayoko na. So I didn't realize at that time na, yun nga, it was getting bad. Right? And then, naghiwalay kami. It was still bad. I overcorrected. I tried to have fun, not happy. I tried to have fun. Not gonna mention names, pero alam mo to, yung kwento na yung ex ko pumunta dito na may alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Di ba? So doon lumalala ng lumalala. Yung ex ko na kilala mo, I'm not gonna mention any names. Yung crush niyo, pare.
Mm.
Crush ni Joe, crush ni Anton, crush mo. Di ba? Doon siya lumala eh. Doon siya yung, I think, hindi siya malala emotionally, but I think doon siya lumala mentally. Na doon ako na parang was trying to be happy. I was trying to be happy. Fini-fake ko na lahat. That's why the entire 4 years that I was with her, you know who I'm talking about, yung kilala mo,
Yeah.
is a blur.
Okay. Because you were faking
It's,
it the whole time.
yes. I was faking happiness the entire time. I was fixated on yung yabang na. Ang hot ng girlfriend ko.
Okay.
Di ba? Like, pag lumalabas kami, pinagtitingin na kami. Kasi, ang hot niya eh.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? I was fixated on that. I never realized I was not happy. And then, si lawyer pa nga yung nagsabi sa akin na, have yourself checked.
Check.
You know, si
Yeah.
lawyer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have yourself checked kasi you're not doing well. My very first doctor's appointment, she paid for it.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi she forced me.
Mm-hmm.
She forced me. Sabi sa niya, sabi mo, wala nang problema sa akin.
Mm.
I'm okay. Ngayon, kasi nga, since high school, I was in denial eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Since elementary, I was in denial that there's something wrong with me. So, ano sinasabi mo? Diba? So, okay, fine. Para lang tumahimik ka, I'll do it. Because you're never right against your partner.
Mm-hmm.
And then, lalo na if your partner is a lawyer.
Mm-hmm.
Lalong hindi ka tata. Di ba? So yun, I went there and had myself checked. I opened up everything. I find it's funny, no? Kasi it's easier to talk to strangers than people close to you.
Yeah.
At least for me.
No, it's true.
Kasi walang
judgment eh.
Exactly. Walang judgment eh.
Yeah.
Hindi ka na judge. Ganyan nga, pero ganito ginagawa. Walang ganun eh.
Yeah.
It's just, sige.
Yeah.
Kasi I don't know you eh. So I'll listen. Papakinggan lang nila kung ano yun. Walang subtext.
Exactly.
Walang background.
Yeah, for them it's a clean slate kasi.
Exactly. Diba? Totoo.
Yeah.
So I opened up to my doctor. And had continuous sessions. And doon ko na-realize na something's wrong with me. But if you'll notice my wording, no, I never say that I'm sick.
Yeah.
Until now, I'm in denial na it's a sickness.
Yeah.
Until now, I'm in denial of the sickness. To me, it's just something wrong. It needs to be fixed. Parang may something sa pintura mo sa pader. It's not sick. Kailangan mo na siyang takpan ng pintura ulit. Okay. Diba? Kailangan mo na siyang lagyan ng bagong coat of paint to make it look brand new. But hindi mo chine-check na, bakit kaya nagkakaganito? Baka may leak, baka may, ano yun?
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Hindi mo chine-check eh. Kinocoveran mo lang ng pintura yung pader.
Yeah.
Like, actually, until now, ganun yung, so I don't know if I'm the best person to talk about this. Kasi until now, I guess it's good that I know that I'm in denial. Mm-hmm. But my denial is so strong. My denial is so strong that I believe that hindi ko ma-explain eh. Hindi ko alam kung magigets mo yung sinasabi ko.
No, I completely understand. Yeah.
Alam ko na I'm in denial, pero hindi ko pa rin siya matanggap.
Mhm.
Ayoko siyang tanggapin. Ayoko siyang tanggapin. So
No,
that's, yeah. Sorry, medyo mahaba yung explanation.
no, I can understand that kasi that's how I was when I started. I didn't want to believe in that I couldn't control my thoughts, the negativity.
Kasi
So,
utak mo yan eh.
exactly. That was my thought process also until I got checked properly.
Pero yun din, I got checked properly, but I was, until now,
Are you getting
alam ko
checked
siya,
until now?
kasi nga I'm in denial, no na.
Are you taking medication? No, also.
I stopped it. Pero sinabihan sa akin ng Dr. Gun, nagalit siya sa akin eh.
Okay.
Actually, nung nagalit siya sa akin, that's the time I stopped talking to
Okay.
my doctor.
Okay.
Kasi nagalit siya, kasi sabi niya sa akin na, hindi mo siya pwedeng stop basta-basta.
Yeah.
Kasi ginalaw natin yung hormones mo, yung chemical sa katawan mo, ginalaw natin.
Yeah.
And then isa-stop mo siya basta-basta. Hindi
Mhm.
pwede. Because I stopped cold turkey.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Di ba? Nagalit siya sa akin. But after nung nagalit siya sa akin, doon ako nag-stop. Again, I don't think I'm the best person to talk about mental health kasi yun nga, it's so weird though. I know there's something wrong with me, but I'm in denial. And I know I'm in denial, but I also believe that there's nothing, I'm not sick.
I get
You
you.
get
Yeah.
it? Like,
It's
yung
confusing.
parang,
Yes, yes.
ako naiintindihan ko yung sinasabi ko.
No, I completely understand. And there
Pero
is
hindi ko siya,
someone going through that too right now.
di ba? Like, so, yeah, to whoever's listening or watching this, there are people na in denial, but you know that you're in denial. It's sobrang hypocrite or I don't know, sir. I don't know eh.
No, it's you're lying to yourself. I think that's the ano eh. You think you're in a good place and you know you have everything you need. There's nothing supposed to be wrong. So
But
you're
in the quiet of the night,
yeah, dun
you
tumatama.
don't understand
Yes.
what's going on. Like, I think to myself, okay yung career ko.
Yeah.
I can buy whatever I want.
Yes.
I can do whatever I want.
Yes.
I can be with whoever I want.
Yes.
I can eat whatever I want. I can drink whatever I want. But why am I lonely? Why am I alone?
Uh, I am not an expert also on this. Pero siguro sa pagkwento mo with what you're saying, I think what you have is high functioning depression. Because I think that's what people go through also eh. Like they know they have to do certain things and they do it, but at the same time they're questioning things while they're doing certain things. You get
When
it?
you word it out, yeah, I know, no, I get it. But when you word it out,
Diba? It doesn't
it
make
doesn't make,
sense.
it
Yeah,
doesn't make
exactly.
sense. It
Exactly.
doesn't make sense.
Pero hindi,
Parang,
that's the problem din kasi with mental health. It doesn't make sense in any way. It only makes sense to people who are experiencing it. Like when you share it to someone who doesn't understand or who hasn't felt it, they wouldn't know what to do. They will try to help, and sometimes it will just make it worse, or sometimes walang nangyayari, or sometimes you misunderstand what they're trying to do, even if they're trying to help genuinely, di ba? So I wanna ask you, Kyle, in your journey with mental health, has any has it pushed you to to do self harm, or just it has been just thoughts of doing certain things, or have you acted upon it?
I have multiple times.
You've acted upon it, or there were just thoughts?
I've acted upon it aggressively. Aggressively. Sobrang aggressive. Um, it's medyo blurred na eh, but
Okay.
there's a line here. Medyo blurred na siya kasi nag-heal na siya. Because it's
Yeah.
been couple of years. I have a couple on my arms. I have a big line scar on myself. And, alam mo yung nakakatawa doon, Nico, I never wanted to off myself.
I get that. I get that.
It's just the times that it happened, it's immature. But it was a cry for help. And I didn't know how to ask for help.
Okay, yeah.
It's not me giving up on life. It's me begging people to pakinggan mo ako.
Yeah, I understand that.
Pakinggan mo yung sinasabi ko. Pakinggan mo yung mga hindi ko nasasabi.
Yeah.
It's a very difficult ask.
Yes, 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 yes.
It's a very difficult ask for someone who's not going through it.
Yeah.
Na there was one time, 3 bote ng Robitos ininom ko. In one night. I was asleep for a day and a half.
At least you woke up.
Yeah. Dami yun. Like, siguro sasabihin ng mga tao, nagpapapansin ka lang.
Exactly, yes. I understand that also.
Nagpapapansin ka lang. Hindi mo naman kailangan yan eh. But there were times I do it alone. But
Yeah.
no one knows.
Yeah.
It's just because hindi ko na alam eh. Hindi ko na alam kung hindi ko maintindihan yung nararamdaman ko. I don't understand why I'm hurting. I don't understand why it's so dark.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand. I don't understand the feelings that I'm feeling. And I couldn't talk to anyone.
Yeah.
Because even if I talk to someone, automatically inisip ko, hindi naman niya ako maintindihan eh. So bakit ko siya kakausapin?
Yeah.
So yun nga, going back to the childhood trauma.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
High school na.
Mm-hmm.
Yung stigma na, hindi. Diba? It's great, Nico, that you're doing things like this to make people aware.
Yeah.
It's great. I'm super proud of you for doing this. It's very brave
Mm-hmm.
of you to do this.
Thank you.
No?
Thank you.
But I know you get it eh, na sometimes it's not about hurting yourself eh. It's just, walang pumapansin sa akin, pansinin niyo ako.
Yeah. Walang nag-acknowledge nung nararamdaman mo, nung nasa isip mo. Walang tumatanggap na there's something going on. They're just saying na it's all in your mind. Diba?
No, but it is all in your mind.
Yeah, but
But then yung heaviness is different eh.
yes eh. I get the point na it's all in your mind, but it's out of your control eh.
Yun nga eh.
They don't understand, the people don't understand the power of the mind kasi.
Sa kanila, utak mo yan eh, ba't hindi mo makontrol?
Yes.
Di ba? Pero,
you can take it against them kasi yun nga eh. They're not going through it eh.
and then to you, you're like, I look at myself sometimes and I ask myself, like, yung sous chef ko ngayon, it's a good friend of mine din, yung current sous chef ko.
Yeah.
I talk to him, and then about work, but I ask him questions, like, ako ba yung bobo? Ako ba yung tanga? Mali ba ako? Di ba? Parang tinatanong ko sa kanya gano'n eh. Like, kasi parang, bakit parang walang nakakaintindi sa akin? Like, yeah, I'm talking about work, but it also applies to what I'm
Yeah.
saying earlier.
Yes.
Like, so ganun yung mind, yun yung nasa isip ko whenever I do something to myself.
Yeah.
It's a lot of people I hear and I watch and I read that they say they hurt themselves because they want to feel something. Me, hindi eh. It's not that I want to feel something. It's weird, weird. It's so confusing. It's super confusing na I'm doing this so I feel something else.
Yes, I get that.
Di ba? Kasi I'm so tired of what I'm feeling. I want to feel something else. I would rather feel physical pain than feel this. Na I don't even understand and I don't even know ano ba yung nararamdaman ko. Ano ba yung pinagdadaanan ko. Hindi ko siya maintindihan and walang gustong makinig.
I completely agree. Yes, I understand.
At hindi naman sa hindi walang gustong makinig, pero ako rin eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya sasabihin sa mga tao.
Yes.
I don't know how to communicate it and I don't want to feel it anymore and I just want to feel something else.
Yes.
Right? I
Yes.
drink and sometimes drinking is not enough. I play games and sometimes it's not enough. And then I revert to physical pain to myself
Yes.
just so I stop feeling whatever it is that I'm feeling. It's not to be numb. It's just, sawa na ako dun sa nararamdaman ko, sawa na ako dun sa loneliness, sawa na ako dun sa regret, sawa na ako sa galit,
Yeah.
sawa
So
na ako sa mga
fear.
ganung bagay.
Yeah. No,
Oh,
I get you. Ako kasi, I have the suicidal thoughts also. I've never
yeah.
acted upon it. But what I do is I get tattoos. As of now, I have like
Like
13
may
tattoos.
Pokemon.
Mm. Eto, bago Kyle.
Oo nga, bago yan ah.
Yeah. So
Mahal yan, man.
I use the pain of the tattoo, but I also express myself. Like this one, I have a semicolon on it. It's my journey. It has a story. So I use that to express myself also at the same time. I I'm not suggesting you get a tattoo, but I would want you to rather stop the self-harm and try to do something else. Kasi I'm not saying that I don't know. Yes, it is wrong to hurt oneself, but I also understand why you're doing it eh. So someone who might go through it, they might just want, like what you said, is to distract themselves from the heaviness. To feel physical pain is much better than the mental pain eh. Kasi the physical pain will go away, but the mental problems, the mental heaviness, the fear, it stays. And
Yeah,
you cannot get out of it.
yeah. Yung mental pain kasi you don't know how to deal with it kasi it's intangible.
Yes.
Pero yung physical pain, you know how to deal with it eh.
Yes.
Lagyan mo ng betadine,
Yeah, alcohol.
alcohol. Di ba, alam mo kung paano siya
Cure, yes.
gamutin. Alam
Yes.
mo kung paano siya first aid.
Yes.
Pero yung nararamdaman mo, paano mo i-first aid yun? Anong first aid doon? I don't know.
Yeah.
Di ba? Right, yeah, your tattoos is my Pokemon.
Yeah.
Di ba? Your tattoos are the dice that I collect.
Yes.
Like every different color dice, every, like, funny story lang, no, why I like Psyduck.
Okay.
Medyo light. Not light, but related. Because, napansin mo yung si Psyduck lagi siyang hawak na yung ulo niya.
Yeah.
Di
Yeah.
ba? He's always confused. He's always lagi siyang
That's true.
nadadapa, lagi siya parang clumsy.
Yes.
So I feel like I can somehow
Relate.
relate to Psyduck.
Yeah.
No, I feel like yung Psyduck was made specifically for people with mental health issues eh. To relate to.
I love that
Kasi,
part.
Di ba? Kasi no, like, ito yung pagkakaintindi ko sa kanya na, right, he's, like, if you remember yung the Pokemon anime, yung mga episodes with Psyduck,
Mhm.
he's always the butt of the joke eh.
Yeah.
But when you watch it as an adult, you understand like, oh, this is just trying his best.
Yes.
He doesn't know eh. That's why he's holding his head because ang sakit ng ulo niya lagi because of all the voices.
Mhm.
And he doesn't know how to handle it. And then the only way na kaya niyang gawin is to just hold his head together, and sometimes yun yung feeling mo na parang just,
Yeah.
di ba?
Yeah.
That's why I love Psyduck. I love it. That's why may collection ako ng Psyduck. Kasi nga you get to relate. Siguro I'm adding meaning to something that doesn't have that meaning.
No, but that's good. That's
But
good.
but the thing is, it helps me. I don't care
Yeah.
what
Other people
I
think
don't care.
yes.
Yeah, but at at a certain level, I feel like this character, this creature from a fictional game, an anime,
Mhm.
it's the closest thing that I can relate to.
Okay, yes.
Diba? It's the closest thing. Like, it's Psyduck is cute. It's adorable.
Yeah.
Diba? You laugh at him for being clumsy, for not knowing how to control his emotions.
Yeah. But
But he's loved.
don't also forget, Psyduck is powerful.
Yun nga eh. He
Diba?
is powerful. Right? He is
When
powerful.
he
That's
uses
why,
his psychic power, ang lakas niya.
diba?
Yeah, it's
And you
shown in
know
the
what?
anime.
I guess parang it's, I don't know eh. Sobrang geeky natin, man.
Oh, it's part of it.
Yeah, I guess it's, I don't know if it's real or whatever. It's just like something that I try to understand in my mind. But you know how psychic Pokemon are strong against ghost type Pokemon?
Yeah.
How I understand that is, regardless of where you're coming from, regardless of what people see you as, you have the strength to overcome fear.
Yeah. Ganda nun.
Because that's what ghost Pokemon is. It's
Yeah.
fear,
Fear,
it's
yes.
anger, it's anguish.
Yeah.
But the psychic, like si Psyduck, is strong against
Yeah.
the ghost. Kasi it's your mind eh.
Yeah.
If you focus on it correctly,
Mhm.
properly,
Mhm.
you can overcome the fear.
Yeah.
The fear of rejection,
Yeah.
the fear of not being loved, the fear of being alone, the fear of failure, the fear of feeling useless, the fear of feeling that I could have been something more, right?
Yeah.
It's just a matter of willpower.
That's true. With you saying that, Kyle, I want to ask you something. Like you said, maganda yung trabaho. You have a good job. You can do whatever you want. You can buy whatever you want. What do you think sets you apart from people who are going through it who can't do those things naman? How do you think you compare in situations, or how do you compare mentally to them? Kasi there are others who have reasons. They're poor, they don't have a job, they literally have nobody believes in them, they cannot talk to anybody. Kasi ako, I'm lucky. I have family who supports me. I have friends like you who understand. I found a support community all over the world who have mental health problems that I get to talk to. But I I still hear hate. I still hear negative um, comments about, I mean, what I'm going through, what I believe in, and how I feel. So ikaw, as a successful professional, how do you deal with it? Because I'm sure it happens at work also. Do you just mask it? Do you hide? Do you have a certain uh, thing that you do to sort of not feel it at that moment?
Alam mo, Nico, I didn't start successful.
Yeah, you worked your way up.
I started as a, you didn't see this part of my life because I was ashamed.
Okay.
Nung tumira ako sa Malibay, I lived in Malibay, I lived in Pasay. Sa San Jose, that's the street that I lived in. I was so skinny, can barely recognize me. I was working 3 jobs.
Mm-hmm.
Nakatira ako sa junk shop.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna mention his name because I love the guy and he helped me out. Si Alfred.
Okay.
Okay. Um, I left my family kasi I wanted to. Unang-una, I felt like I didn't belong.
Mm-hmm.
Pangalawa, I didn't know if they understood who Kyle was.
Yeah.
Pangatlo, I wanted to prove myself to the world
Yeah.
that I can do it.
Yeah.
That's why yun. Start ako sa dishwasher. Tumira ako sa junk shop. I was working as a dishwasher in Paseo Magallanes. I'm not gonna mention the place. Okay? But my boss, who I still contact until now,
Mm-hmm.
I still have drinks with until now.
Mm-hmm.
And every time I see, I, I love the dude.
Mm-hmm.
He's old na. He's so great. He's a great mentor to me. I worked with him. I worked for him as a dishwasher. Nung pag-uwi ko, after yung work ko sa Magallanes, go home in Malibay, Pasay, o magbabantay ako ng junk shop until mag-close. And then after that, magbabantay ako ng computer shop. That's why magaling ako mag-general sa mag-counter-strike. Kasi nagbabantay ako ng computer shop eh. I get to play for free and I get to play with everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya mga pustahan. It wasn't an easy journey.
Mm-hmm.
Like to get to where I am. I had to push, I had to fight for it. And until now, it's so bad. Situation right now at work is it's relentless. It's super hostile. It's very hostile. Buti na lang my team is good. So but it's super hostile. You know what gets me through it?
Yeah.
A lot of people, you watch movies, you read books, they say, I'm a self-made man.
Mm-hmm.
You've heard that
Yeah.
multiple times.
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm not a self-made man.
Okay.
God made me who I am.
Amen.
The reason why I can push and perform at the highest level is because this is my calling.
Yeah.
It's badui to a lot of people,
Yeah.
especially maybe the younger generation.
Yeah.
They're gonna find it badui. They're gonna find it like self-righteous,
Mm-hmm.
maybe
Yeah.
even. But it's God. It's God that pushes me to be who I am. It's my belief system is kind of weird because I combine everything I know into one belief system. Are you familiar with numerology?
No.
Like you see the same, yung repeating numbers.
Yeah, okay.
So this is what I believe, right? You talk to God, talk to Jesus, and you say, give me a sign. But the thing is, Jesus and God will not just give you a random sign.
Yeah.
He's not gonna give you, he's gonna give you the signs that you understand,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
So some people, they see signs on billboards,
Mhm.
di ba? Some people see signs in reels.
Mhm.
I see my sign in numbers.
Okay.
If I see repeating numbers, 1111,
Yeah.
1212, 101, 202, mga repeating numbers.
Yeah.
That's why my phone is, I'll show you very quickly. Sobrang, no one, right? Like, ang dami kong um, screenshots na, puro, parang, you can see it, yung
Yeah.
wallpaper ko.
Okay.
Kasi sin-screenshot yung oras.
Okay, okay.
Every time na repeating siya, I screenshot it.
Okay.
And to me, that's my reminder to, hey, I need to talk to God right now.
Yeah.
I need to
That's good.
thank Him because it's it. He's telling me through these signs that I understand that hey, you're in the right path, pa rin.
Yeah.
You're in the path that I'm giving you. Because you know
Mhm.
what? My ex,
Mhm.
the one that you know,
Mhm.
I never saw repeating signs. I never saw repeating numbers. The 4 years that I was with her,
Mhm.
not once. Hindi ako seryoso not once.
Hindi mo
And
pinapansin
then,
kasi.
nung naghiwalay kami, I keep on seeing this.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's crazy. Maybe it's crazy talk. I don't know. But whenever I do something that's uncharacteristic of me,
Mhm.
of who I want to be now,
Mhm.
yung mga numbers na nakikita ko, instead of 1111, 1112,
Mhm.
1110, ano yung
Sumasablay kulang ng
shirt?
isa.
Like parang, and then I realize, hey, hindi ko pwede gawin to. I I don't know kung na-explain ko siya ng maayos, but I see that as yun yung signposts ko.
Yeah.
As, di ba? Like, as
Yung
long as
guide
I
mo.
see repeating numbers, I know that God is telling me, hey, you know what, Kyle? You're doing what I called you to do.
Mhm.
This is what I made you to do.
Mhm.
So yeah, it's very difficult. It's very relentless. It's
Mhm.
very hostile. You're standing up 14, 12, 13 hours a day,
Mhm.
one day off. Your day off, ginagamit mo para maglaba, para maglinis ng bahay, para mag-meal prep for the next week. So it's not really
Okay.
pahinga.
Yeah.
And then I see the numbers repeating. And I'm like, that's comfort enough for me.
That's good.
And then I would stop whatever I'm doing. I will look out my window and say, thank you, God.
That's good. That's good.
Thank you for reminding me that I have to talk to you.
Mhm.
Thank you for reminding me that you're here for me.
Amen.
Right? So, yeah, that's what keeps me going forward. Like, to still do what I have to do to try to be the man that I hope I can be. I don't know. If I tell anyone about this, it sounds sobrang baduy. It sounds cringe, corny, invento.
Yeah.
I don't care. It's my belief.
That's true.
This is
What
about this is
what keeps you going,
my
eh, no?
relationship with God,
Yeah,
di ba?
exactly. That's good. That's good. So Kyle, balik lang tayo dun sa ginawa mo. I wanted to ask lang, would you suggest the same thing? You went out of your comfort zone, eh. Like you said, you left your house, but you started from the bottom. For someone who is going through, or who went through what you did, what you went through, like walang nakakaintindi sa'yo, you think your family didn't agree or understand you, you wanted to prove yourself. Do you think that would apply to others? That was the right thing to do, that you had to step out of your comfort zone?
To whoever is listening right now, to whoever is watching, I can tell you from experience, don't do it.
Don't go out of your comfort zone? Is that what you're saying?
That's what I'm saying. Like, don't leave your family. Kasi here, I neglected to mention that the moment I started seeing the numbers again,
Mm-hmm.
like the path that I'm supposed to be,
Yeah.
is the time that I went back to my family.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
started talking to my mom again.
Mm-hmm.
I started talking to my sister, started talking to my brothers, started talking to my family.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes your family doesn't understand you. Sometimes they don't get you, but it's not their job to get you. Eh.
Yeah.
It's not their job to understand you. But you need them. You need your family. And this is coming from someone who shut out everyone.
Yeah.
Nico, you know this.
Yeah.
I shut out everyone in my life.
Yeah.
I chose to be an island.
Yeah.
And that was the worst thing that I did. So don't. Someone who went through it, it might not be what you want to hear, but it's what you need to hear,
Mm-hmm.
right? Whoever you are, whatever you're going through, they say you cannot choose your family,
That's true.
but God gave you that family for a reason.
That's also true.
God put you in that family, God put you in that situation for a reason.
Yeah.
All you need to do, even if no one listens to you, even if no one understands you, tell them what you're going through. Because your mother will always try to listen to you.
Mm-hmm.
Your mother will always understand you.
Mm-hmm.
Your family, they might not get you, they might not understand you.
Yeah.
Pwedeng pagtripan ka nila, you might be the butt of the joke during reunions.
Yeah.
But again, like, I just recently watched the roast of Kevin Hart.
Yeah. Okay.
And there's a one line that's stuck with me.
Mm-hmm.
Sabi ni Regina Hall, we only roast the people that we love.
Okay. And
Right? If they don't understand you, they roast you, it's because they love you. And it's not their job to ask for forgiveness.
yeah.
Like yung sinabi ko earlier, if God is willing to forgive you, who are you to not forgive them?
That's true.
If God gave you that family, who are you to shy away from that given gift?
Yes.
Di ba? Binigay sa'yo ni God yan eh. Gift niya sa'yo yan eh.
Mm-hmm.
So why would you walk away from that?
Mm-hmm.
What's my biggest mistake?
Yeah.
Running away.
So you regret
Running
it?
away, yeah,
Would you take it back?
honestly,
Would you take it back?
That's a very loaded question. Eh.
Exactly, because
It's a loaded question because if I take it back,
iba
I
yung
won't
Kyle
be who I
ngayon. Exactly. Iba yung Kyle ngayon.
But it could be a better Kyle. It could also be a worse Kyle.
You wouldn't know.
You never know.
Yeah.
You will never know. So what I'm gonna say is my opinion. It's not an advice.
Yeah. Okay.
It's my opinion. It's whatever God gives you, treasure it. And how do you know if God gives you that?
Mm-hmm.
It's the things na wala kang choice eh.
Yeah.
Your career, your family, yan yung gifts ni God sa'yo.
Mm-hmm.
Yung mga hindi mo pinili para sa sarili mo.
Mm-hmm.
Yung bigla na lang dumating.
Yeah.
Yan yung gift sa'yo ni God.
Mm-hmm.
If you say, kasi my dad's an asshole eh. Ginato. That is still a gift.
Yeah. It's a lesson.
Because it's a gift.
Lesson.
Yes, it's a lesson of who not to be.
Yeah, exactly. Good or bad situation, there's a lesson eh.
It's a gift.
Yeah, that's true.
It's always a gift. It
Yeah.
took me 40 years, man.
Yeah.
It took me such a long time to understand this. Right? But everything that you experience in your life, the good, the bad, yung traffic, yung sumingit sa'yo, kung na uwing-uwi ka na, nasa MRT ka, pawis na pawis ka, pagod na pagod ka, stress na stress ka sa trabaho, yung sumingit sa'yo na tao sa harap mo, that is a gift. Because you don't know what if hindi siya sumingit sa'yo and then nauna ka and then pagbaba mo pala na hold up ka.
Yeah.
You don't know eh.
Yeah.
Everything is a gift from God. And it's stupid, I know, but it's also comforting to know that it's hard to accept that you're not in control of your life.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard because para saan pa yung free will?
Yes.
Diba? Para saan pa yung free will kung gano'n?
Mm-hmm.
But every tribulation, everything that's happening in your life is God's gift. Baon ka sa utang?
Mm-hmm.
It's God's gift.
Mm-hmm.
How is it God's gift? Baon ako sa utang, sinaharas ako, tinatawagan ako ng kung sino-sino. How is that God's gift? His gift is the lesson that you should be financially literate.
Mm-hmm.
Right? I got fired from work. Ginato. How is that God's gift? Diba? I got fired from work eh. Okay. Don't think about that you got fired. Why did you get fired?
Mm-hmm.
Hindi, pinag-tripan na lang ako sa work eh. Diba? Pinapower trip na lang ako eh. Bakit ka nila pinapower trip? Ano yung ginawa mo? Bakit hindi nangyayari sa iba? Ba't kasi yung nangyari?
Mm-hmm.
It's not victim blaming. It's more on, I guess, yung iniisip ko, it's more on having gratitude for everything that's happening in your life.
Yeah.
Diba? Naglalakad ka, nakatapa ka ng poop. Diba? So you have to stop. You have to stop and then you have to clean your shoe and then naiinis ka kasi bago yung sapatos mo, kakabili mo lang, it's 12,000 pesos. So ngayon may poop sa shoe mo, nililinis mo, you stop. Right? Pero kung naglakad ka pala, na-hold up ka, o nalaglagan ka ng something sa ulo mo, right? Everything is a gift in disguise. Be grateful for your life. And that was my biggest regret. That I was not grateful. That I thought I can do it alone. I cannot.
That's true.
I can't do it alone. God gave me people around me to help me. And what did I do? I chose to run away.
Yeah.
God put me in a Catholic school. And what did I do? For the longest time, I chose to ignore him. Diba?
Yes.
So, it might not be what you want to hear. But that's my opinion.
Yeah.
Do I regret? That's my advice. No, not advice, or opinion na everything that's happening in your life, be grateful for it. Be thankful for it. Thank God for everything. Appreciate everyone. Appreciate your life. Appreciate the stains on your shirt.
Mhm.
Di ba? Bumili ako ng X-large na t-shirt, puti, plain white. 7,000 pesos, 12,000 pesos. Bumili ako ng Supreme, whatever, na plain white shirt. Ganda. Ganda ng fit sa akin. Namantsahan. Di ba? That's still God's gift.
Mhm.
Telling you, be humble.
Yeah.
Everything is God's gift.
Mhm.
Every single thing is God's gift, good or bad. Nobody said, the Bible didn't say that God is all good.
Mhm.
They just said that God is all powerful, God is all knowing, and God is all present. Never in the Bible did it say that God is all good. The moment you appreciate that God is your guardian, that God is the manager of your life,
Mhm.
if you let Him micromanage your life and just surrender,
Mhm.
but Jesus take the wheel,
Mhm. Amen.
everything will fall into place. I never thought that I would be speaking like this.
Yeah.
Kilala mo ako, Nico.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'm in the same place. I just
Yeah.
recently found God also, and I've been preaching His name with everything that happens to me. No, how hard it gets. Uh, I don't know if you saw, I posted on my social media yung reels ko na it's been 15, 14 days now of continuous attacks, negativity, suicidal thoughts. But I'm getting through it because of God. He gifted me with my wife, my daughter, who sometimes I neglect and I say they don't understand, pero they're there for me. And
They don't, you know, that's the thing, Nico. You don't need to understand to be there for you.
exactly, exactly.
But the fact that they're there for you, it's a
Yeah,
gift.
yeah.
You don't
So,
need to understand. No one has to understand you,
yeah,
but you just have to be grateful.
that's true. That's true. That's true. That's a good message actually that people should actually hear. And what I say also kasi, there are people, Kyle, and we know that who don't believe in God. But I still pray for them and I know that they're still being guided through whatever they're going through. I have someone who's going through mental health problems and they told me they don't believe. But I said I'll pray for them. And I didn't want to force them to believe then naman. Because it's their
That's
own
different,
journey.
Nick.
Yeah, that's their own.
Forcing is righteousness na. That's
Exactly.
different.
Exactly. Exactly. Yung sa akin kasi it's their own journey eh. I respect all other religions. I respect all other beliefs. Whether it's the universe that you believe in, whether it's Buddha, whether it's Allah, whether it's
Vibrations. I used to believe in just
exactly,
vibrations.
exactly.
Yeah, diba?
So, eto Kyle, before ayoko nang pahabain to. We've talked about a lot of things. Ang ganda ng story mo. I want to ask you one final thing. Like I said, I found God recently lang. Ikaw ba? When did you find your reality with your religion, with your faith? You don't have, I mean, it doesn't have to be religion na church or whatever. It's your belief in God. Eh. That's the powerful thing. Eh. When did you find that? What 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 was the driving point? I know you, like you said, you've had mental health problems, you've had autism since you were young, you've had self-doubt, you've had the negative thoughts. When did it happen? Was it long before or did you just literally find him na ano, nadapa ka ba bigla? May nagsabi ba sa'yo? May na-realize ka lang? Did you hear a voice or yun nga? Or was it that time you went back to your family and you saw the numbers? Was that it? Or beforehand? What was the sign?
Mayabang ako eh. Mayabang ako before. I mean, until now, I have to be proud of myself.
Yeah.
My father's side is very religious.
Okay.
Yung brother ng lolo ko was Cardinal Sin.
Okay.
Yung brother ng dad ko is a priest.
Okay.
It's a very religious family.
Yeah.
And I didn't like my family I didn't like my father's side at all.
Mm-hmm.
So I rejected it super hard. Yung
Yeah.
religion.
Yeah.
Everything was falling apart in my life.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what's going on. My relationships were failing. Like I was blaming everyone. I was everything. Then one day, sa may Pioneer, Mandaluyong.
Yeah.
This was pre-pandemic. Kakalipat ko lang dito sa
Okay. Yeah.
sa
Yeah.
Cebu.
Yeah.
Just walking around. So I wanna know ano yung meron sa
Sa area. Yeah.
neighborhood ko.
Yeah. Yeah.
Meron na ng bata. Babae. Like, she was asking for alms.
Okay.
Wala akong pera. Wala akong pera, hindi ko siya pinansin.
Mm-hmm.
Binato niya ako.
Okay.
Binato niya ako. I was like, ano yun?
Yeah.
Galit ako.
Yeah.
Di ba? Realize, bata yun eh.
Mm-hmm.
I walked away.
Mm-hmm.
I walked away. I went home. So mad.
Yeah.
Ate. And then I went on Instagram. Watching reels
Mm-hmm.
and all that. I in the beginning I was thinking like, grabe yung algorithm, grabe, they're really listening to me kasi what's happening.
Yeah.
Kasi everything that I was watching that day was about understanding, was about seeing the good of people.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like, alam mo yung nauso yung mga prank na you help the poor, you win 1 million, but it's just they're pranking the other
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
Nauso yun eh, nauso yun eh. Until now, medyo meron pa rin ako nakikita
Mm-hmm.
eh. I guess that's dun nag-start. Mag-open yung eyes ko na, why, bakit ganito? Out of nowhere,
Mm-hmm.
right? Like, it could have been the algorithm, but it could have been God
Yeah.
using technology to speak to me.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Diba? And then from there, I started like watching it, and then I found this page on Instagram,
Yeah.
which is great. He
Mm-hmm.
would start with memes, and then he would react, and then after that he would say, anyway, today's scripture is from,
Okay. Yeah.
ang babaw,
Yeah. Yeah.
that
Yeah.
I found on Instagram. Ang babaw.
Yeah.
But that's what I needed eh.
Yeah. That's
It's
how
what
he
I
reached
needed.
you. Yeah.
Yeah. It's what I needed at that time.
Yeah.
And it wasn't gradual. It was a day. It was one day. And it's like that. Kasi before I would used to fall asleep. I would listen to 152 hertz. Alam mo yun, yung mga gano'n, yung mga sleep or meditation music. Or, alam mo yung mga, I
Yeah.
would use that eh. And hindi makatulog. Until that happened. And I'm like, hey, you know what? I would listen to Bible verses for asleep too. And you know what made me such a strong believer of God?
Mm-hmm.
I am now his warrior. I will fight. I will die for his name.
Mm-hmm.
His job. So it was one night. Steve was just like going through YouTube looking for anything, and then I saw the Book of Job.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, okay, you know what? Play it.
Mm-hmm.
Sleep. And then, hindi ako nakatulog. Because I was listening to the I was listening to the audiobook.
Mhm.
It was Job. It was the book of Job, the story of Job, that made me such a strong believer. Are you familiar with Job?
Yeah, but what verse basically did you?
The entire story, right? Job was a merchant, he was rich, and he
Mhm.
was faithful.
Mhm.
He had everything and he was faithful. And then the devil told God, you know, the only reason why Job is faithful to you is because he has everything.
Yeah.
If he doesn't have anything, if you take away, he won't be faithful to you.
Mhm.
God was like, you know what? I'll prove you wrong. He is faithful because he is faithful, not because
Mhm.
of the gifts that he got.
Mhm.
So he took away his wife, took away his sons, took away his business, made him live 70 more years in poverty,
Mhm.
in loneliness, and he never lost faith. And if that guy kept faith and he went through the worst,
Mhm.
why can't I?
Amen.
And that's the night. That's the night that I was like, God is strength.
Mhm. Mhm.
God is the right path.
Amen.
That's it. That's how I got it. It's not the numbers. It's not the numbers are just my interpretation of his
Yeah. Yeah.
messages to me on a daily
Yeah.
basis. But it's Job. It's the book of Job that made me, you know what? It's unbelievable what he was going through. And he kept faith. Grabe. I was trying to put myself in his position. So I stood up. I was just listening the entire day. The
Yeah.
entire night. I was like, nag-vape lang ako.
Mhm.
Yun, uminom lang ako ng Coke.
Yeah.
The entire night. Just listening to it. Like, wild.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wild. Ang wild nun, dude. Sinunog yung yung, ano yung, he was having dinner and then may dumating sa dinner niya. I said, dude, your son died, man.
Yeah.
Like, how? Got trampled by sheep. Like, what?
Mm.
Sheep?
Mhm.
And then the sheep died? Like, where's my money now? Alam mo yun, and then his wife left him kasi wala na siyang pera. Like,
Yeah.
yo, man. And he kept faith.
Mhm. Mhm.
If he can do that, and he was just a man like me,
Yeah.
made me realize I can do the same.
That's true.
Yeah, so that's it. That's how, that's the story of me finding my faith in God.
Ganda.
It's 40 years too late,
No, it's
but,
not. You're never too late.
but, I'm here now.
Yes. That's good.
Diba?
That's good.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Ganda, ganda. Kyle, thank you. Thank you for blessing us with your story. Thank you for blessing us with your journey. I hope we reach someone who might be going through what you went through and they get to learn at least a few lessons or maybe get sort of an encouragement that they're not alone, that what they're going through is valid, that they might not understand at the moment. You're 40 years old, like you said, and you still don't understand. Uh, I just want to thank you, and I really hope this is this gets the reach and the audience that it deserves. Again,
You know
thank you.
what, Nico? It will
Yeah.
reach the right person. Like
Well,
how everything reached me at the right time,
yeah.
this will reach the right person at the right time.
Yes. I I
So,
I agree with that,
diba?
and I claim it too. It might not happen today. It might not happen tomorrow. It might happen
10 years from
10 years
now,
from now. Yeah, exactly. Someone might see it. Uh, all that matters to me, why I'm doing this, even if I just help one person per video, per story that I share, that's enough for me. Because I know I've shared the voice, I've followed what God wanted me to do. I might not have the biggest impact, the biggest audience, but I'm sharing stories that have impact and are life lessons and experiences that matter, right? So again, Kyle, thank you. I will see you, my brother. Before we end this, I want you to share. Sige, promote mo naman yung where you work. Invite people to come over, taste your food. Share with us where they can
Yeah,
where
yeah.
they can
So
support you.
here, I'll tell you this, because my place where I work right now
Yeah.
is expensive. It's not for everyone.
Okay,
So
yeah.
you know what I'm gonna tell everyone right now
Okay.
is when you eat out, this is an advocacy as
Yeah.
a chef.
Okay, okay.
So this is my message, my parting message. Guys, when you eat out, understand that there are people behind the food before you complain,
Mhm.
before you post online, before you ruin a restaurant's reputation. Understand that there are people behind it. Not just the owner na inaaway mo, not just there are people who need work, who are working there. So before you for your pride or your vanity na gusto mo lang magkaroon ng content for clout,
Yeah.
realize muna that there are people who are working, who are crying, na napapagalitan, na pinagpapawisan, na nagkakasakit pero pumapasok pa rin
Yeah.
serving you. It's
Exactly.
service,
Exactly.
right? So before you post anything, have some sympathy for us.
Yeah.
Ours is a thankless job.
Mhm. Mhm.
We stay in 4 by 4 room, like I mean 4 walls
Yeah.
for 12 hours, 11, 13, 14, whatever, how long you want it.
Yeah.
Smelling the same people,
Yeah.
looking at the same people. Alam
Yeah.
mo, papasok ka, may araw, pag uwi mo, wala ng araw.
Yeah.
You're gonna ask your friends, "Hoy, do you wanna hang out?" And no one is free.
Yeah.
Diba? Be kind.
Yeah.
Right? I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Like my last message. Instead of you coming to me, every restaurant that you visit, be kind. Because you don't know ano yung pinagdadaanan ng mga tao.
That's true. That's true.
Right? Bago mo sigawan yung server for being stupid or forgetting your order or doing something wrong,
Yeah.
be understanding.
Yeah.
Be kind. Kasi tao lang sila eh, nagkakamali lang
Yeah, and they might be going through something that you do not know.
that you don't know.
Yeah,
So that's
exactly.
all I'm asking. I'm not gonna ask you to eat at my restaurant. My restaurant is expensive. It's not for everyone.
Yeah.
Diba? So what I'm asking is the places that you do go to, thank them. If you enjoy
Ganda.
the food,
Ganda.
let them know. If you enjoy the service, let them know. It doesn't even have to be a tip.
Mhm. Mhm.
Ang kailangan lang is thank you. That's all you need. And to me, guys, thank you. Whoever you are who's listening right now, thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Alam kong madaldal ako. Madaldal din si Nico.
Yeah.
Right? Pareho kaming madaldal. And thank you for bearing with us. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all. That's the plug. That's the plug.
Thank you. Thank you. So everybody who's watching, again, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you can share and I hope you learned the lesson. Again, Kyle, thank you. I'll see you. And again, bye everybody.
Love you.
Love you, brother.